Avalon fetal monitors have two different types of alarms: patient alarms and in-ops. Patient alarms show on the monitor as the colors red and yellow. The color of the patient alarm notes the priority of that alarm. Red alarms indicate a high priority situation which could be life-threatening. The alarm displays on the monitor with 3 asterisks. For example, when a patient's SpO2 measurement is below the desaturation alarm limit, it displays as a red alarm. Yellow alarms indicate a lower priority alarm and appear with 2 asterisks. For example, if a fetal heart rate and maternal heart rate are similar, a smart pulse alarm displays, showing coincidence. It appears as a yellow alarm. Now that we've talked about patient alarms, let's focus on the other type of alarm: in-ops. In-ops are technical alarms that indicate the monitor cannot take a measurement and therefore not detect critical conditions reliably. In-ops show on the monitor as a teal color. For both types of alarms, the fetal monitor sounds an audio tone as well as flashes the numeric. To acknowledge any active alarms, select the silence key on the monitor. The check mark beside the alarm message indicates that the alarm has been acknowledged. In the event an alarm has been acknowledged but the alarm condition is still present, the alarm message will display on the screen with the check mark symbol beside it. The flashing numeric will continue while the alarm tone stops. It is only when an alarm condition is no longer present that both the flashing numeric and the alarm tone ends. For more information on alarms, see the instructions for use.
Philips.